Hello! Welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. Today we're going to make something truly classic, timeless, and a crowd favorite. Yes, you guessed it right, seeing these beautiful ladyfingers here. It is a classic Italian tiramisu, but with an Amoretti twist to it. We're going to use our Cappuccino-Tiramisu Compound to amp up that tiramisu flavor. We're going to start off by making the custard mascarpone cream, and it's going to be tiramisu flavored like I told you. So first of all, let's whip up 2 cups of heavy cream. So totally chilled, been in the fridge for a while, so that's what we're looking for. When the cream starts to slightly froth up, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar to it. Not at once, but lightly in a drizzle, and then maybe in batches too. Like, you can play with the sweetness level here. You can add up to 1 cup if you like it really sweet, but I'm just gonna do it with 3/4 cup. There we have all the powdered sugars in there, and now we're gonna whip it up to nearly stiff peaks. So that's what we're looking for here, like droopy peaks, but not entirely stiff. Now I'm going to whip up the custard that I made yesterday night. So this has been sitting in the refrigerator overnight, and that is what we're looking for, a firm custard. And how to make it? We have the perfect recipe for it already in our YouTube channel. So I am leaving you the link in the description box. Do check it out and make it. It is so yummy. This is 2 cups, and I'm going to drop it into the bowl of the mixer. And this gives a very rich flavor to your mascarpone cheese and the cream that we're gonna make with it. This is gonna taste absolutely delicious and divine. We can whip it up. Once the custard is whipped and brought back to life, we're gonna add the star of the show, the mascarpone cheese. So I'm gonna add 2 cups of mascarpone cheese into the custard. Look at all that yummy cream. We're gonna add the Amoretti touch now. We have the gem of a product, our Cappuccino-Tiramisu Compound. I'm gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons. The use level of this product is 5 to 8%. So right now I'm gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons. Look at that. It smells so much of really flavorful coffee. Beautiful. And make sure to get the whole product in there because you don't want it to go to waste. It's amazing. Mix that in. Now I'm just going to scrape down the sides because, of course, when you use mixers, as I always say, there will be unmixed products in there for sure. Like the custard, it's not properly mixed in. So I'm going to give it a good scrape down and then give it one more mix before I add the whipping cream. Now I'm going to fold in the whipped cream. I'm going to do it in batches. I have half the whipped cream in there, and I'm gonna gently fold it. Okay, time to add the rest of it. Time to fold it one last time and bring that wonderful cream together. So here's the most exciting part of it all. We're gonna put it together in a dessert tray. So you can use a 9 into 13 tray, or if you have the size of cream and the ladyfingers I'm gonna use, you can use a smaller 8 into 8 tray, or if you want it larger, you can double the quantity. You can use a trifle bowl, a big trifle bowl for layering the dessert, or also you can use it like in a small dessert bowl. You can use it to make individual serving sized desserts. All's up to you, but today this is what I'm gonna use. And now about soaking the ladyfingers. So I'm going to use 2 cups of super strong coffee, and I'm going to use an espresso based coffee. So you can use any really strong, maybe like a dark roast coffee. But at the same time, if you don't have something like that, we have something that can save you, our espresso coffee syrup. You can use the syrup in hot water. That can also give you a solution to dip the ladyfingers in. So today I'm going to use strong espresso coffee, and you want it hot and strong. Pour it into a bowl, and to this I'm going to add 1.5 ounce of rum. I'm going to add it in for that real tiramisu classic taste, and I'm going to set this to the side and bring my dessert tray to the center. Today I'm going to use store-bought ladyfingers, but you can actually make this at home, and we have a video coming out soon on how to make gluten-free ladyfingers at home. I'm going to dunk it in the coffee. I'm going to take it out real quick because this gets soaked very easily. So like one little dunk, that's it. And it will start to come apart in your hand, so be really quick with it. So we're going to layer one whole layer in the bottom and then work with the cream. The great part about using store-bought ladyfingers is the consistency in size and shape. So that makes a really pretty looking dessert. So that's again a reason that I want to use it, because you can see it looks really uniform in here. And the final ladyfinger of the first layer is done. I'm going to set this to the side, and I'm going to transfer the cream to a pastry piping bag. So I have my mascarpone cream in a piping bag, and it's so much easier to control it this way, and I'm going to pipe it in. Now I'm going to go in with a non-stick spatula and really make it level. Now that's completely leveled, and time to put in the next layer. So we're going to do the final cream layer on top. So before I do that, I want to talk to you about our tiramisu cremedy syrup. If you want an extra kick of tiramisu with that creamy touch to it, you can do a layer of our cremedy on top. That will be amazing. You can do it in layers in between. And today I'm just keeping it classic and just going with the Cappuccino-Tiramisu Compound. But again, this is a great option. The final layer is coming in, and this time I'm not going to pipe the layer flat. I'm going to do little dollops with a round piping tip in there. There's our tiramisu all done and ready. Now this needs to mature in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours or overnight. And so this is a dessert that you can make beforehand and bring to a party and make it your showstopper. A little dusting of cocoa powder to finish it off with that classic tiramisu look. This is a wonderful, wonderful dessert to take to any party. Make it at home for a dinner, or just, simply to wow your family. You can just whip it up because this is so easy. Finally, the moment that we've been waiting for with this tiramisu, taste test time. I'm so excited. Time to dig in. Looks so creamy, yummy, and melt in the mouth. Here goes. It's amazing. The perfect tiramisu with that slight touch of rum, and of course the most delicious mascarpone cream that's flavored with our Cappuccino-Tiramisu Compound. perfect. If you make this at home, don't forget to tag us at Amoretti on our social media channels on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and TikTok. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment and share the video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.